everybody, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 here. And also we're going to take a look at some of the accessories I got for it. So yeah, let's go. It turns out it's a little bit too big for me to hold the camera as I unbox it, so I'll just unbox it and be right back. Okay, so here we have the Samsung kind of fold thing. Take this out, probably the tablet here. After that, let's see, we have a 15-watt charger. Cool. After that, we have the S Pen, which is cool. It feels kind of good to hold. Yeah, that's cool. Let's put it back here. And then after that, finally, we have a manual thing with the ejector thing. So yeah, let's get to the tablet. Okay, cool kind of cover for it. Not really a cover, like basically the protection kind of thing. And it says, put the S Pen on top of it. So yeah, right here. See how we can peel it off. Oh, here, there's a little flap. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I officially pulled it out after a long struggle. And yeah, so you can get it out. Again, I have to put this down. Okay, you can see here, which is cool. And this is the gray model, as you can see. I think it's gray. It doesn't really show. I think it looks black on this camera. But yeah, so cool. Camera at the top. So yeah, let's get to the case. Okay, so here's what it looks like. And yeah, so there's a little white thing here, and we can try fitting it in. Okay, nice, it fitted good. So yeah, as you can see right here, if we turn it around, there's the S Pen thing right here, and this is called an Infill case, I think. Yeah, and so it's made out of leather. And let's just try putting on the S Pen. Okay, so let's see if it snaps on there kind of tightly. Yeah, here you can see right here. So yeah, that's cool. Let's see what it looks like when we close it. So, and we wrap it around here. See if it falls off if we just carried it over here and carry it back. So it doesn't actually fall off. So that's cool. I saw many reveals saying that this thing will fall off, but it's really good actually. It won't fall off. I don't think so. So yeah, that's cool. Let's get to the keyboard. Okay, so this is the keyboard I got, and it's from the iPad case. I'm just going to use it for this. So cool. It's not that big for this tablet, but it's okay too. And we also got this mouse to go with it, and also the OTG kind of plug. Plug it here, and then I can just basically use the mouse, which is cool. So yeah. And that's basically it for the unboxing, and yeah, so we'll show the setup now. Let's go. Okay, so let's power it on. And yeah, so button right here. And yeah, so Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. And yeah, so I'm just going to use the one that they gave me. the USB-C plug and plug it in here. And I'll be right back. As you can see, right now it's 51%. Yeah, so we press start. And yeah, so we have to do this thing. And yeah, I have read and agreed to all of the above. And then after that, I'm going to enter the Wi-Fi network confidential information. And let's see if it can connect. Okay, so let's power it on. And yeah, so button right here. And yeah, so Samsung Galaxy Tab S7. And yeah, so I'm just going to use like the one that they gave me, the USB-C plug, and plug it in here. And I'll be right back. As you can see, right now it's 51%. Yeah, so we press start. And yeah, so we have to do this thing. And yeah, I have read and agreed to all of the above. And then after that, I'm going next, and I'll just try using the pen this time since I'm kind of new to it. And yeah, so next, yeah, getting your tablet ready. And copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, blah blah blah. Next. Okay, I already have this installed in my old tablet, so easy. You can press this one, agree, and for right now, I'm going to be needing to switch to another device, so I'm going to continue recording it on the other device, but I'll see you next time. Let's go. Yes, we have set this up, so that's kind of cool. And yeah, so I couldn't show you the whole process since I had to remove the SD card, so I couldn't take any more things. So yeah, I guess this is the end of the video, and hope you enjoyed. So it's still setting up. As you can see, I'm using the S Pen right now. You probably can't see it, but it's happening. So yeah, that's it for this video, and hope you enjoyed. And yeah, bye.